Hello, and welcome to your daily singing lessons. I'm Marquita Waters, and I solve singing problems. I help singers be the best they can be. And now, it's your turn. Let's get started with a lesson for you today. Hi, we're going to do an exercise today that's going to be easy, light. Unless we go really high, then, it's hard to hit some of those notes, huh? But remember, if you are taking a nice breath, supporting the tones, opening up, especially in the back of the throat, you're going to get it. We did chest voice, we did the mix, all these terms, my gosh. But now we're going to do a nice easygoing exercise. It'll be hard if you're not used to doing high notes, but you're going to get it. And this is an odd meter here. Either you're going to look at it as 6/4, 6 beat per measure, and a quarter note gets 1 beat, or it's going to be 4/4 and 2/4. Now, those of you who are musicians and are studying music, you know what I mean. But if you don't, I'm going to do videos that is going to explain it all to you singers, because we're musicians. So it's syncopated, it's... Okay, and then there's a rest. I'm going to give you the new note. Okay, we're going to start over again. I want you to take a nice big breath in between each. Mouth is open. Lift for that high note. Where? All the way in the back of the throat. You ready? I might go up and I might come back down. You don't know. And if you're having a hard time getting these notes, pick it up wherever you feel comfortable. And... slow down. Slide in that note nice and easy. Really nice, lift up. Those of you who have nice high voices, you're going to love it. Oh. Mouth open. Lighten as you go down. Easy. Remember to keep the body up. Don't get real loud down here. You want all of it to sound the same. All the same type sound. My chest is coming in chest voice. That's the low sound. It naturally comes in. if you allow it. Don't push, remember. There you go. We are done this one. You use these exercises as you please. Come in wherever you feel comfortable. Get out wherever you feel uncomfortable. Remember though, with getting any notes, you need to take a nice big breath. You need to stay out and support the tones. You need to open up where, especially in the back here. All right? You have a great rest of the day, a great singing day. If you've done several of these exercises already, you're ready to sing your songs. Ooh, yeah. Well, subscribe and ring the bell. And here we go again. It's such a day, yeah, such a mighty fine day. Bye-bye. See you on the next one.